Hey, where's the food? Empty shelves near you? What do? Stock up on beans and rice? Or is there another option? Worried about hurricanes, blizzards, supply chain issues, or just World War III? If you're like me, I figured I should look at my options. I ordered a 4-week emergency food kit. So let's go have a look. All right, let's see what we have. Stainless steel mess kit. Figured while I'm ordering, might as well order a few more things. Little solar charger. A couple little camp cooking cups. Couple solo burning stove. What's this here? I forgot what I ordered. Instant fire, don't fight the fire with the fire. Fire starter, you got a fire starter. Running hour, whatever. We can talk about these later. Let's get into this.